podcast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Brenda. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Friday, losing ground after the release of non-farm payrolls, which undershot expectations. The greenback ended the day at 1.3701 to the euro and 103.25 to the yen. Today's data includes consumer credit, which is expected to rise to 14.1 billion in February, and commentary from Fed's Jim Bullard speaking in Los Angeles. Next to the euro weakened on Friday after it was revealed that the ECB Governing Council had discussed using quantitative easing at their rate meeting. It was the first time they had debated such a radical measure. The single currency ended the day at 1.3701 to the dollar and 141.47 to the yen. Today's news include German industrial production, which is expected to show a 4.7% rise in February, plus the Eurozone Sentix Investors Sentiment Survey, which is expected to rise to 14.2 in April. British pound. The pound fell on Friday after house prices show a surprise drop month-on-month in March. Sterling ended the day at 1.6568 to the dollar and 0.8263 to the euro. Today's data includes Lloyd's employment confidence in March. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Friday after safety flows increased following the release of below expectations US payrolls data. A fall in US Treasury yields further helped the yen as it reduced the differential with its own bonds, making them more attractive to investors. The yen ended the day at 103.25 to the dollar and 171.07 to the pound. Today's data includes the trade balance, with the deficit expected to narrow to negative 594 billion in February. And now the section you have been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.3725 with targets at 1.367 and 1.3655 in extension. Above 1.3725, which will look for further upside with 1.3755 and 1.3785 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6062 with targets at 1.6055 and 1.6505 in extension. Above 1.6062, which will look for further upside with 1.6645 and 1.6068 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 103.45 with targets at 102.95 and 102.7 in extension. Above 103.45, which will look for further upside with 103.7 and 104.1 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Brenda and you have been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.